Phrasal verbs. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. A phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb, a preposition, or both. In this video, we're going to look at phrasal verbs with the main verb come. Some of these phrasal verbs have more than one meaning, but to keep things simple, we're going to stick to one meaning per phrasal verb. Phrasal verb 1, come over. Come over means to visit someone in the place where they are, especially their house. Yeah, Netflix and chill time. Yes.
Joblessness, recession, crises. It's dangerous to make enemies left, right, and centre. What if one is...
Hello? Hey, how are you doing? Can I come over? I'm really bored. Yeah, you can come over after some time?
Just 6 months.
Thanks so much. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Oh. Phrasal verb number 2, come in. Come in means to enter a room, building, or other place. Come in. Hi, I'm here. Hi. Phrasal verb 3, come across. Come across means to meet someone or find something by chance. The past tense of come across is came across. Phrasal verb 4, come on. Come on is said to encourage someone to do something, especially to hurry or try harder. Hey, I was looking for a book to read and I came across this. Monopoly. Let's play. I'm a little busy right now. Come on. Just one game. Okay, just one game. Phrasal verb 5, come back. Come back means to return to a place. Other vocabulary to look out for in this segment are play fair. Play fair means to act in a fair way. And cheat. Cheat means to behave in a dishonest way to get what you want. I love Monopoly. It's such a good game. And I'm actually winning. Yeah, you are winning. But please, play fair. Are you saying I'm cheating? If you're going to call me a cheat, I'm not playing. You can play by yourself. I was joking. Come back. I can't play by myself. Please come back. And the last phrasal verb is come along. Come along means to go somewhere with someone. I need to go to the supermarket to get a few things. Do you want to come along? I'm tired. I think I'll stay here. Okay, I thought maybe we could get some ice cream. Ice cream? Yeah, I'll come along. I'll just put on my shoes. Now it's your turn. Fill in the gaps to complete the phrasal verbs and form full sentences and questions. Number 1. Come to my place for a cup of tea. Number 2. Come and sit down. Number 3. I came this ukulele while cleaning. Number 4. We're late. Come, let's go. Number 5. Come, you forgot to pick up your keys. And finally, number 6. I'm going to the park. Why don't you come? Alright guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the online videos in the description. They are really great and they will really help you learn what we've covered in this video. Until next time, bye bye. You've got something, sorry? Nothing.